Welcome back to the Waxer. My name's April. So I have in my possession the Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory Scentsy bars. I have all three. I am so excited. So there are some different purchasing options you can do. The first one is you can get the really cute bundle deal, and I'll put a little picture of the bundle box below. So that one costs $21. There's only 3 bars. You can do that, get the cute little box, or you can do what I did. I made an in and out Scentsy Club, paid $6.50 each for the bars, plus I got 10% off on top of that. And I knew I wanted multiples anyway, so that's what I did. Just made that one in and out Scentsy Club. I also picked up an extra special new Disney bar. I got the Disney Wish, so we're gonna talk about all of those wonderful things. So if you're interested, go ahead and stick around.
It's the darkest before the dawn. Feel the night melt into the sun.
So the first bar we're going to talk about is the Everlasting Gobstopper. And you guys, I have to say the packaging on these bars in this collection is amazing. It is so fun. So Scentsy says, orange pop and candied sugar with bright tangerine create a delectable delight that's too good to give away to a slug worth. And you guys, I absolutely agree with that statement. So you're definitely getting like a fizzy orange soda. And the bright tangerine is absolutely there because it's an elevated kind of an orange scent. Bright, juicy, fruity. But then in the background, I'm picking up a vanilla, and there are no vanilla notes in this, but I'm telling you, I get vanilla as well. Sugar, yes, because there's extra sweetness, but this one reminds me of that orange popsicle 50/50 bar where it's like that orange, that vanilla. It's delicious. It is so good. I cannot wait to warm this one. It smells about a medium on into cold, so I'm really excited about that one. Yeah, you know, it may not be the right time of year to melt these bars, but I'm a fruity girl, so you bet your booty I'm going to be warming that one soon. Okay, next up is Violet's Turning Violet. And again, the packaging is just absolutely stunning. And I just have to talk a minute about the color of this bar, you guys. Is that not the prettiest violet you've ever seen? So, Scentsy says, after a 3-course meal, don't be surprised when blueberry, white cherry, and crystallized sugar turn dessert all shades of scrumdiddlyumptious goodness. So yes, you're definitely getting that blueberry. The white cherry, I'm sensing there's something besides the blueberry, so it has to be the white cherry. I don't think I would have been able to say, oh, cherry, if I didn't know what the scent notes were. But there's definitely another fruity scent besides just the blueberry in here. And then the crystallized sugar, absolutely, because it's a very sweet scent. I like this one a lot. I do like the blueberry note and the white cherry note. I just feel like this scent kind of is falling just a little flat for me. I really wish this one had some of the fizzy pop or the effervescence that the other scents have. But all in all, it's really nice. I'm excited to warm it because, again, it might, you know, I might like it a little bit better on warm. But I do like this one. I just feel like maybe it just fell a little flat for me in the fizziness, fruitiness department, which what I was hoping for with that. So next up is Fizzy Lifting Drink. And again, super stunning, beautiful packaging. And again, the color is just phenomenal. So Scentsy says, come on in, the air is fine. Sparkling orange and fizzy grape soda are like shooting stars mixed with a sweet raspberry and light as a feather vanilla. So yes, absolutely. I'm getting orange fizzy soda, grape fizzy soda, a little bit of that sweet raspberry, lots of sugar, and vanilla, all just wrapped up into one. It is such a fun, fruity, fizzy, effervescent, light scent. I love this one. Dare I say this one might be my favorite out of the bunch. It just has everything that I would imagine with a fizzy lifting soda drink. So I am super excited to warm that. It smells about a medium in intensity on cold. Next up is Disney's Wish. And I really do like the packaging on this one, you guys. It is beautiful. Have not seen this, but I kind of want to. So, Scentsy says, making all your wishes come true with sparkling lemon, twinkling lime, and sweet vanilla sugar. And I get all of those notes wrapped up into one. There is an effervescence to this scent. It's lemon and lime, almost like a lemon lime soda, but with some extra sweetness in there. The vanilla just kind of helps balance it out and soften the edges. This to me is a beautiful scent. Again, I love those fizzy soda scents. It's not super fizzy pop soda, but just enough effervescence to make this fresh and bright and exhilarating. I love this one. It smells about a light plus to a medium light on cold, so I'm excited to warm that. And since I did make a Scentsy Club order, I was able to get a half off item. And I did something that you might be a little surprised about. I picked up a brick. Yes, I am not the biggest fan of bricks, but I freaking love this scent. Vanilla Bean Buttercream, you guys. I don't think this gets enough love. It is the absolute perfect blend of buttercream, vanilla frosting, sweet sugar goodness. Oh, it's creamy and dreamy. It's delicious. I love it, and I go through this scent a lot, so it does actually make sense for me to get a brick in this one, and I got it for $12, so it was a no-brainer. So that's it. That is what I picked up. I'm actually pretty impressed with the Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory collection from Scentsy. I do like all three scents. I think my favorite is probably the Fizzy Lifting Drink, followed by a very, very close Everlasting Gobstopper. And rounding it out would be Violet's Turning Violet. And just because I feel like it's just missing something. The other two scents have a little bit of fizzy pop to it. This one doesn't. I just kind of feel like it might have elevated this one just a tinge, but you know what? We're gonna sing on warm because everything changes on warm. So thank you so much, and leave a comment below. Have you picked up this yet? Do you plan on picking it up? I know it's kind of a weird time of year for this, but I think maybe the movies are coming out. But don't forget about these scents. You know, maybe throw them in your Scentsy Club, warm them during the summer or the spring, maybe when it's a little bit more appropriate for the scents. But overall, I am really digging this collection. So thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.